Hello, ladies and gentlemen, civil engineers. This is Engineer Azhar Badsha and project management specialist, and currently enrolled as assistant RE and constructing the universities on a governmental level and district SWAT. So tonight we will be starting the MCQ series of irrigation engineering. So without further ado, let's begin our series. So we're going to starting the question number one. It says the borrow pit should be preferably be located in. So what is borrow pit? First of all, I'll tell you. And what is mean by this thing? And what is borrow pit? And where we can use it? It's field on the left side of the canal, field on the right side of the canal, fields on the both sides of the canal, central half width of the section of the canal. Okay. So we can use borrow pit in the central half width of the canal, right? So we can use that in central half width of the section of the canal. So what is borrow pit? And it's used center half width of the section of the canal. So what is mean by that? दे इसका मतलब है क्या मतलब इसका? So what is mean by that? We will use borrow pit कहते हैं what is mean by borrow pit? Pits, alright? So we locate this in central half width of the section of the canal. An area that is created to remove earthen material and is used for the filling of another location. यानी इसमें वो एरिया होती है हमारे साथ जिसको हम to remove earth material, जिससे हम earth material को remove करें and use for the filling of another location. ठीक है? This is borrow pit and it is used. It is located in central width of the section of the canal. So we will study the section as well. So you can easily see that excavation, right? ये आप देख सकते हैं हमारे साथ बेसिकली क्या है ये हमारे पास एक कनाल की वो स्लोप्स हैं जो साइड पे स्लोप्स दिए जाते हैं ठीक है इनको क्या कहते हैं what is called that slope which is provided in the canal. That's a homework for you. Write in the comment box. I can say what is called in this slope, the cross slope, and the borrow pit, and that's the borrow pit, right? That center excavation. You can see that's the height of that borrow pit, right? And that's the slopes, that's the side slope, and that's the height, center height, alright? So the correct answer is the center half width of the section of the canal. We can provide the borrow pit. That's the kudai, the canal section is the kudai ki altan sake. That is created to remove earthen material. To remove the earthen material at the center half width of the section of the canal. To remove earthen material. خاورة خاكول para the canal per section ki. Alta jimu sawar ko ayta min borrow pit issue. We call that borrow pit. So question number 2 suggests irrigation canal are generally aligned along ridge line, contour line, valley line, straight line. What is mean by that? जो irrigation canal चिकम दी हम उसको align किस तरह करते हैं ठीक है किसके साथ करते हैं ridge line के साथ करते हैं contour के साथ करते हैं valley के साथ करते हैं straight के साथ करते हैं. As you can see the constructor representer is showing you the image of the canal which is a classification canal based on different factors. So I'm not going to go into the factors. So what is ridge line? So canals are aligned with ridge lines, okay? That's a beautiful canal, but this canal is a straight canal. What are ridge lines? Ridge lines are sort of zigzag lines. Let me show you this ridge line pictures, images of that. So this is a ridge line. You can see that. So this is a ridge line. So what is ridge line? Did you guys understand that? Let me show you. As you can see, that's a sort of zigzag, you know, it's a sort of zigzag. So the ridge lines are zigzag lines. So canals are aligned with the ridge lines, okay, with the zigzag lines. So what is ridge line and canal? I mean, ridge line canal is something else, and ridge line and canal is something else. So the ridge is also called as a watershed, you know, okay. It's a dividing line between two drainage areas, like we have. So the dividing line between two drainage area is called ridge line, okay. तो रिज लाइन जो है हमारे साथ ये बेसिकली एक इस तरह पॉइंट है। तो रिज हमारे साथ इस तरह पॉइंट है बेसिकली, अगर आप देखें मैं आपको समझा रहा हूँ, जो कि किसी माउंटेन के फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हमारे साथ अगर एक माउंटेन हो, पहाड़ हो, तो पहाड़ के टॉप से लेके, ठीक है, पहाड़ के टॉप से लेके टॉप पॉइंट से लेके, यानी टॉप पॉइंट से लेके नीचे पॉइंट तक स्लोप में खुद ब खुद आती है, उसको रिज लाइन कहते हैं। इसलिए किनार्स को हम रिज लाइन के साथ कनेक्ट करते हैं, ठीक है। If I can look into this diagram, this is by ResearchGate, and you can see that you know what this is a contour canal. You know, this river is flowing through with this contour, so I mean this is a contour canal. You can see this is a contour canal, right? Because it's going towards the contour. So that canal is going towards contour canal, which is actually that canal. For example, that is my top point, top extreme point, and that is my lowest extreme point. So it goes with that flow, slope, natural gravity. So, and which goes from the highest point to the lowest point. So such line is known as ridge line, and such canals are known as ridge canal. And canals are associated in terms of align, or canals are aligned with the ridge line, okay, with the ridge line. So that's been cleared. So canals are aligned, generally aligned along ridge line. All right. Question number 3 is the length of a meander is the distance along the river between the tangent point of one curve to the tangent point of reverse curve, next curve of the same order, reverse curve plus the width of the river, none of these. So which one is correct? What did you think, guys? Answer this if you can. So what is first mean by this meander? It's suggesting that is the meander is a distance, like it's a distance. Okay, so that's for sure, it's a distance along the river between the tangents of one point. Like if I can take this reading, it's a distance, मतलब दा ये फासला दा, ये एक फासला है along the river, river के साथ ही फासले, मतलब सवाल में ही जवाब, वो कहते हैं ना कि सवाल में ही जवाब होता है। along the river फासला होता है river के साथ साथ, between, लेकिन दरमियान में एक कर्व के टेंजेंट पॉइंट से, तो टेंजेंट पॉइंट कर्व का कौन सा होता है, दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट, टू द टेंजेंट पॉइंट ऑफ दूसरा कौन सा कर्व है, एक रिवर्स कर्व है, ठीक है, दूसरा नेक्स्ट कर्व है, इसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट कर्व है, लेकिन एक ही ऑर्डर का होगा, उसका ऑर्डर मीटर के ऑर्डर के बराबर होगा। तीसरा ऑप्शन है रिवर्स कर्व है प्लस द विड्थ ऑफ द रिवर, लेकिन रिवर्स कर्व तो है, लेकिन इसके साथ रिवर का विड्थ भी जमा होगा, तो ये मीटर